Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little helper, I guess. This is Haley. Haley makes YouTube channels of her own. I will put her link right here so you guys can go follow her. It's mostly toys, but I mean, and sometimes she tries to do makeup.
No, it's actually right up there. Up there.
Oh, okay.
Not toy channels. I usually just do makeup videos like her.
She likes to recreate my looks.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun to watch.
And
Anyways, today, so I went to Ulta earlier and I picked up a few stuff. I've been wanting to get the Morphe 35M palette, but every time I went, they were sold out. So I tried.
it with her.
She was in school. I can't take her anywhere with me because she ended up wanting something, even from Ulta. So I went and I picked up a few stuff. I originally wanted to get the Huda Beauty palette, but I wasn't gonna go all the way to Sephora. So instead I was like, okay, somebody could just get it for me for my birthday. And I didn't really want to spend the $65 on it, so.
Well, I had this other thing I was showing her. It's like a palette like this big that has colors in it, but she has one like a little bit more like this.
She says she's getting it for me, so I don't know.
I don't know like where I'm gonna find it or something. I don't know. I really have to look.
But she knows how to find toys. Anyways, let's get into this Ulta haul. So I'm not gonna show you the palette yet.
No,
I'm actually so excited.
That's gonna be for last.
They actually have a sale, like a clearance going on, so then I found these glitter. I think it was $16. I got it for $8.
Wait, does it only come with those 3 colors or is it more?
No, it's just these 3 colors. Let's open it.
So, wait, what about in different ones? Huh.
So, what are the names? It's Bright Light, Brilliant Light, and Blinding Light.
She's so obsessed with names.
This is, I really like this. Do you want me to try them on you?
Yeah.
Okay, you can come here. Oh, look how pretty this is.
Can you see?
Okay, we could do a swatch.
Whoa.
So pretty. What's it called?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. So these are liquid glitters. I'm actually really excited to use these.
Oh my gosh.
It's pretty, right?
Yeah.
And it dries so quickly. Like, this is not coming off at all. It's not.
Wait, what if...
Okay, why am I going to be scratching your eye with them? So next, I got makeup remover wipes. You could never have too much makeup remover. These are the Almay makeup remover. I think it was you buy one and you get one free, or you buy one and you get one half off, and they're like $5 each. And I think there's 25 wipes in each, but it feels really thick. I feel like there's more.
You can never have too much. Like, if you're going on a road trip, you always have to have one of these. Never know if you want to.
And then I picked up
Of course. You always
NYX
have this.
Espresso lip liner, because I'm obsessed with dark lip liners. And I heard somebody reviewing it on their Instagram live. Ready? Okay.
Wait, what does this mean?
That's just the name of it.
There's 35 names.
No. There's not 35 names. Okay.
Wait, first you look at it and then check it. I saw this already.
So, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I went in and I was undecisive which one to get. because I knew I was gonna get a few for my birthday, so I was like, let me try to get something different. And let's go and open it. And I saw this one. I was like, you know what? Let me get this one. And I went to look for it, and it was all sold out. It wasn't sold out. It's just there was no more out on the shelves. So then I went to the counter to just pay for these stuff. And then I asked the girl. She was like, let me check. And then as she was checking, I was checking online too. And then it said it was available. And then she came back with like a stack of it. I was like, yes. Okay, so let's see.
I even have a picture of it up, like the one I'm getting her.
I thought it was supposed to be a surprise.
You already saw it.
Okay.
We're actually, yeah. She already saw it. Or should I just show it to the camera?
Okay, show it to the camera and close my eyes.
Okay. This is it.
Is it pretty?
So much.
Okay, move. Go away. How'd you get the picture of it?
It's on Musical.ly.
Oh, okay. She also has a musical channel. You guys should really check that out. It's so funny. If you really want a good laugh, go look at it. Okay, so here we go.
I learned how to.
See, the only thing I don't like about Morphe palettes is just it leaves fingerprints.
I learned how to do new things. Like this.
Did you ever learn the thing that Ricky taught you?
No. Something like this.
Oh!
This is over. Take it out.
Okay, we could take that out. Let's do a swatch. Okay, we're gonna try Indie Glow.
Indie Glow?
It's called Indie Glow.
Let me look at all the names. There's one called Bossy AF.
Bossy AF. We should do Pop Star.
The one I just did was Color Present.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Did I say washing or watching? It sounds like I said washing. Thank you guys so much for watching with us today.
You said washing again.
No, I said watching.
I didn't hear that.
This is my little Ulta haul.
Oh, and comment down below what's your favorite thing she showed you. I know exactly what mine is.
What's their favorite item?
No, like, yeah, like what's her favorite thing you showed them? But
And if you guys have this palette, please share your looks.
And this is my favorite one.
That's your favorite item that I got? I didn't really get much.
But comment down below what's your favorite thing she got.
Okay, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye!
I thought she got more things.
Make sure you press the bell button so you know when I post new videos. And subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
And what's your channel?
HD. No, Haley T.
Oh yeah, I'll tag her too.
Bye.